Hello, in this Visual Basic programming video, I am going to show you the font dialog. So to add a font dialog, go to Toolbox, either go to All Windows Forms, search for font dialog, or just go to the dialog section and go to font dialog, add it. It's added it to our form. That means we can trigger it. I'll trigger it with a simple button. So if I add this amazing button, I'm actually going to change one of the properties of the button, and it's going to be to do with the font size. So I'm going to increase this to about 20. Yeah, that should do. You'll see why in a second. You might have already guessed. So if I go onto this button, I've already got some code from before. Don't want that. And what we'll do is, actually, let's double click it again. Okay, so we'll trigger that font dialog. So we can trigger it, with font dialog one.show dialog. But if you've seen the video on color dialog, you'll know what we can do is something called if the dialog name, so font dialog one.show dialog. So basically, we're gonna show it, but when the condition for it closing down is true, what we'll actually do is get the information from it. So in this case, it will be the font, and we'll apply it somewhere. And again, you may have already guessed where we are going to apply it. If not, you'll see very shortly. So what we're going to do is we are going to apply it to button one.font, and this is going to equal to font dialog one.font. Now, if we were to run this, let's see what we get. Click the button, and let's say if I select that, click OK. Now that's changed. That's pretty cool. Obviously, we can change the font size as well, all of this. And let's say if we go a bit crazy, let's try and find something pretty extreme. Bank Gothic, medium, and 48. There we go. So that's it for the font dialog. Obviously, I've retrieved the font and the font property selected, applied it to the button, but the application could be with any other component, any other element. That is totally up to you, so go crazy. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next programming video.